this morning. I even slept in at 6:30. Alfie, do you want to go to work? Come on, Bubs. We're gonna go see all your friends at work. I know. Oh, I know. Okay, let's go.
My highest risk stock, we just have it's like my portfolio. So it's fine. I bought it.
Never actually got my head.
Did not do a good job at keeping the top on. Finished work for the day. I'm so tired. I'm really over everything today. I just put some dry shampoo in my hair, but I don't think it did anything. Also doesn't help that I don't really have makeup on, so not helping myself out here. I'm on my way to my grandma's house because she was interested in protein powder. So I'm recommending the Vega Proteins Plus Greens. Really like this stuff. This is what I put in my protein balls, which I think I've shared that before. So it's in my meal prep videos that I do. And then also this oh, what is it called? Nufex? Actually, I don't know really how to say this, but I'll leave it down in the description. It's this dreamy chocolate flavor and it's so good. I make this like chunky monkey smoothie when I'm like really wanting a sweet treat, and it's so good. So I'm gonna let her try this. She's on a new like gluten dairy free diet. So this is vegan, gluten-free, keto, all that sort of stuff. So I think that this has everything that she can eat. And then this has soy in it, so I have to double check. But I didn't want to just bring a baggie of it, so I'm just gonna bring this and then she can scoop what she wants out of it. Anyway, I'm off to go to her house to see that, and then just hang out with her for a little bit because I haven't seen her in a while. And then I think I'll run through Marshall's, and I have to hit up the grocery store on my way home. Just finishing up work for the day. Actually, I'm done for the day. It's 12:57. I said I was working until 1 today. I have a doctor's appointment at 2:30, but I need to go take the dog for a long W. I don't know where he is, so I don't want to say anything too loud. It is 8 degrees outside right now, and I'm so happy. But I'm at that point with winter where I'm over it. I'm ready for some sunshine. I'm ready for warm weather and not wearing my big puffer coat. I'm over it. Also, I have been using the Bare Minerals tinted moisturizer for a long time. I wonder if I can just fix the lighting. And they discontinued it. I don't know what they did with it, but I'm so sad because it was my favorite. I literally used it for like 5-6 years. And now I'm stuck finding a new tinted moisturizer, like everyday foundation thing. Tried this one for the longest time, the L'Oreal True Match, and I don't love it. It like picks around my nose and it's drying, so it's not the greatest. I did really like this Nude Sticks tinted coverage foundation. I've had this for a long time. I think I received it in PR a couple years ago. So it's definitely expired, but it's also too dark for me. So I'm gonna be saving that to wear when I actually like have a proper tan and all that stuff. I liked the Hydro Grip primer or the setting spray, or I can't remember what it is. I had a sample of it and I loved it, so I need to go buy it. I tried this. I saw some reviews on it and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it, and I love it. I have the shade 3, I think it is. Yeah, I'm not super into the packaging of it, like how it's pumped. I wish it had a pump, but this is still helpful. Let's use my fingers and it's great. Like, it has some coverage, which I love, but my main use for it is I just want it to hide a little bit of my unbalanced skin tone because I'm like red and blotchy and like starting to show rosacea, which is really annoying. But like just putting it on there, like it's tacky, but not annoyingly tacky. Like it's breathable, if that makes sense. But like still see like my one spot, like acne scar is still there, like you can still see it, which I don't mind because I'll just go in with some concealer. It looks honestly better in person than it does on camera. So anyway, I highly recommend this. I do really like that. Yeah, I don't know if I want a ton of makeup today, so I'm just gonna do a little light thing of concealer. Also, this concealer is really good. I went into Sephora probably about a year ago, last year, looking for a new concealer because I had a meeting and I was just breaking out like crazy. So I ran into Sephora and I was like, can someone please help me like cover these zits? Because I work in a very male dominated industry and I needed people to focus on what I was saying and not the acne on my face, because I've been told that in the past, because men are ruthless, especially blue collar men. Anyway, so they got me on this, which is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm in the shade Madeline and I love it. Like, look at how well that cleaned up my face a little bit. So anyway, I'm happy with that. All right, let's see. So now it's 1:08. I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm off now. Whew. It is so warm. I wore my vest and my puffer coat on our walk with the dog. I brought up my Barbara coat to wear. This I thrifted last year. It's one of my favorite thrift finds. Is that warm enough? So I have my Lululemon Run Wild jacket. Again, thrifted this, Facebook Marketplace. So I think this would be my outfit for running errands. I have my fanny and my reusable bags. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna grab a water and maybe a granola bar for later, but that's the plan. Let's go run some errands. And yeah, sorry, I was also too lazy to go get my camera upstairs, so we're going with the phone. Hello, happy Friday. I'm at work right now. I look really blue. I just ordered Uber Eats because I was running so late this morning getting ready. My lunch, I ordered Freshie, the teriyaki twist bowl, but I forgot to order chicken on top of it. I thought it came with it. So this is my lunch, and I might have another cup of coffee. This week has been kind of hectic, so I've been like not filming or doing anything, so it's just crazy. I'll chat with you guys later. Yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hi. I only have this much for whites, and I only have this much for colors, and I feel like it's such a waste to do them just in little things. Actually, I think I'm gonna wash my coats with this as well. There's so many lists. Look at the sunshine today. It's so beautiful. I love it. We have a lot to do. Oh my goodness. This was what basically the closet looked like when we first moved in. So, oh my god, look at those spider webs. Oh my god, that's disgusting. They're just floating in the air. Okay, I'm gonna have to get a vacuum in here. Oh, I don't know if that's mold. I'm gonna have to ask Brendan when he gets home from Home Depot on what that is, because that's kind of gross. And the whole point of me taking out all of this stuff in the closet is I want to actually utilize this closet and make it like functional closet. What I want to do is I want to rip out this wall, just get rid of it, clean all in there, probably put drywall or just plaster over top of the existing wall because that's outside and that closet is so cold, like it's just not insulated properly. So Brendan will probably know better obviously on what to do. Basically my plan is to do like built-ins all along this wall and have just doors. Like the doors would go up to match the door frame there, and then I put like some shelving things up top with little like cupboards. That's kind of what I'd like to do in a like ideal world. But basically I want to do like cut it into 3 sections. So have 2 doors. But I'd love there to just be floor to ceiling shelves. So I can put like my shoes, I can put bins, like see all those bins there. I can put those in there. And then in the middle, I'd love just rods. So I can hang up all these clothes here. Like those are all my work clothes. So I have all of my dress pants, blazers, blouses, dresses, all that sort of stuff can go in the middle. And then in that 3rd section there, I want it to be open and then have drawers underneath to put things that I don't need hung up or that sort of stuff. Like seasonal clothes I can throw in there, that sort of thing. And then just have like an open shelving. I can put some decorative objects on there, exposed shelving to do the same sort of thing. So I'll have a photo. I've seen a photo on Pinterest that kind of shares like relatively close of what I'd like to get done in this room. That's kind of my plan. But the whole point of me taking this all out today is because I need to declutter my space. And I just, from when we moved in here, I just basically threw all of our extra stuff in that closet because that's the only closet that we have upstairs. We have a small closet in our bedroom, but it's just not functional, and that I want to turn into a linen closet and just put extra sheets, pillows, duvets, all the other stuff that you put in a linen closet. So yeah, that's the joys of owning a 1908 house. There's no storage. So yeah, that's what we're working with here. This can go in the donation pile. Completely cleaned and vacuumed, which is nice. I think it's time to part ways with the trench coat. This was my first trench coat that I bought like 2016, I want to say. I think I was just out of university. This was before my accounting firm job, and I was like I want a big girl coat, and I got this in one of the outlets in Hilton Head, and I love it, but I don't wear it as much anymore. Just one of those jackets that I might have to part with. And this I'll probably get rid of as well. I have poop bags in every single coat. I used to stash any money that I had into my coats so that each season I would have cash. And it would be like a surprise for myself. And now I just leave myself dog bags, like dog poop bags. A lot of this I think is related to my bachelorette. I also keep boxes and ribbons and all that stuff because I don't like things to only be used once. Like I like to reuse things. I just think I don't like to be wasteful. So this box I received in, I believe it was my Nexus hair PR package, and it didn't have any branding on it, but it was such a nice box, and that sounds like such a millennial thing, but it's a good box. I'm keeping it. I also keep all of the like straw, like this like accordion styled strip of paper like that. I don't know what it's called. When I give gifts, I just take this from this pile and a little basket or something with it. So, and like here's some more ribbon. I know I can definitely do things with this, and I don't want to waste it. More ribbon. This bag, I feel like someone would really like this bag. Okay, so we have piles and we're organized. We just have to put them where they need to go. So those are my spring summer clothes, which I'll probably throw in the guest room, just off to the side there. Then I have baby clothes. Also, look at this. I found a Ralph Lauren flagship sweater. I'm obsessed. It looks so freaking cute. Also found these little like baby Levi jeans. I'm obsessed. So obsessed. So my kid is going to be stylish later in life. Okay, so this is what we're working with now. I'm still gonna go through a couple other things and then add to that donate bag. I'd rather fill it than send it half empty. I need to get a bag to throw that in to give to my friends, and then the rest of that will go to the women's shelter. Empty box I'll probably take down in the basement. This is what the closet looks like for now. So it's not too bad. It is a bit more clean. I vacuumed it and all that stuff. This covers 2 suitcases. My bin that I'll keep adding of stuff that I find for my bachelorette. A duvet. I'm just gonna keep those there for now. So I'm happy to get that off my list. Later in the day, the Briar is on. Pour myself a cup of tea and edit this while watching the curling on the TV. So yeah, anyway, just wanted to say thanks for watching. I hope this video was enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.